This video is all about how to shoot a slingshot. So first there's two grips. This if you want to hit comfortably but it's not that accurate. The second option is to do this. And then this. And then if your slingshot is coming loose, it won't go because you're holding the bands. I like this one the best. Or this one 9 out of 10. So first you put the bullet in your little pocket. Then you do whatever grip in whatever situation you're in. And then you make the bands parallel. Then you in here. You never put this on your cheek like this. Otherwise you shoot your eye out and it hurts very badly. You always want to look straight. And your target should be right here if you're aiming. Right here. Now the bullet in, I'm going to shoot at the curtains. And 3, 2, 1. Right where I wanted to hit it. Now you might have like the two slingshot or black band slingshot, the flat ones. And this is a homemade one out of rubber bands. So it's like both. Now I'm going to do it fast. First you put it down. Then you aim up. Do it that way. Then get off in your strength and fire. Yeah, I hit again where I wanted to. Bye.